sure bafethu nabasupport, make sure ukuthi nida for bona, because they truly need your support, guys, they truly need it, yangithola. So make sure bafethu nabasupport and babonisa uthando, bakwazi ufufa into abayifuna ukufulfilla. Ningangeni kakhulu kwa relationship yabo, but bazoyilungisa if bayafuna. If abafuni ayikho inkinga, but into engayisho mina bafethi i-1 manje, asibasupporteni, sibanike basupport bakwazi futhi bafikele khona. Nina abangathenga ama-ticket, make sure nithenga ama-ticket eMpumalanga nifuna nalethi pha eMbombela bafethu. Uzobenza into ebuhlungu kabi namazi nalethi bafethu, always like deliver, understand, even ne-lineup yakho la event bafethu is very lit, angiqamba manga bafethu is very lit. Make sure bafethu ukuthi nidano experience ulanga lakhe naye. Neyibona into lama-ticket atholakala ku-ticket online, atholakala Checkers, atholakala Pick n Pay. Make sure you to go there and buy your ticket, uenjoy nengane zakho, uenjoy nefamily yakho. Plus uDecember is for holidays, uthi nazo ungcebeleka and enjoy bafethu. Neyibona into le vacations out ngancane bafethu ayasela.
Hey guys, this is your girl Naledi Aphiwe, and this is
Mawelele mfethu, of course. Danko. Bro, for sure, more than anything, I won't get like deep into the experience, but I feel like we're growing Sabanta Basha and we're learning, yeah, bro, we're experiencing stuff. And saying, unfortunately, we don't go to therapy, bro. But music is our therapy. We just go to the mic and speak to the mic, speak out our emotions. So that's how Kaya was born, bro. So yeah.
not exactly. I've never experienced I think ngoba sengishile ekuqaleni ukuthi mina just write mangifika ingoma iyodwa ingoma engayi-relate kuyona. I think ngiyabonga Romeo and Juliet, Naledi, angikaze ngirelate, ngeke ngiqamba amanga, shame angeni umuntu orelate kwizinto zothando kakhulu. To the listeners, oqala bandla ngokuxolisa ukuthi the song took so long ukuthi iphume. We're so sorry about that. Siyathemba ukuthi izofika emadlebeni enu isayilento le enanifuna nesazo streama futhi, yeah, and then uzoqhubeka uMawelele noMbozi.
More than anything, bro, we just wish people receive a message of love, because more than anything, love has ups and downs, you know. And on the song, unfortunately, it's the downs of love, you know. But we just hope people understand Uthando can't be a straight line like that. Just goes